Rebuilding strength after an injury is a delicate process. It's about challenging your body just enough to grow without risking re-injury. The goal isn't just to get strong again, but to move better, feel confident, and prevent future setbacks. Let's explore how to rebuild strength safely and effectively. The first principle is start slow, progress gradually. When you return to training, your body is still adapting. Jumping back into heavy workouts too soon can overload healing tissues. Begin with light resistance or body weight movements, focusing on control and form. It's better to build consistency and trust in your body before adding intensity. Next, listen to your body's feedback. Mild soreness or stiffness is normal. Sharp or increasing pain is not. Your body communicates through sensations, and respecting those signals helps you strengthen safely. Always allow enough recovery time between sessions to let tissues repair and grow stronger. Rebuilding stability and balance should come before heavy lifting. Injuries often weaken the smaller stabilizing muscles that support your joints. Incorporate exercises that challenge balance and coordination, like single-leg stands, resistance band work, or light core training. These movements rebuild the foundation for safe, functional strength. Form is everything. Focus on proper alignment and technique before adding weight. Working with a physiotherapist or trainer can help you correct imbalances and avoid bad habits that might have contributed to the injury in the first place. Progressive overload, increasing resistance or difficulty gradually, is key to long-term improvement. For example, start with higher repetitions and lighter weights, then slowly increase load as your strength and confidence grow. Think of it as teaching your body how to trust movement again. Include compound movements like squats, lunges, or push-ups when you're ready, as these train multiple muscles and joints together. Functional exercises that mimic real-life movements help your body move efficiently and safely. Don't forget mobility and flexibility. Strength without mobility can create new imbalances. Combining light stretching or mobility drills with strength work keeps tissues supple and adaptable. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Strength gains happen during recovery, when your body repairs the tiny micro tears in muscle fibers created during exercise. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and hydration to support this process. Lastly, stay patient and consistent. Progress may feel slow at first, but every safe repetition builds resilience. Pushing too fast might set you back weeks. Moving smartly ensures steady, lasting improvement. Rebuilding strength safely isn't about how much weight you lift. It's about how well you move and how strong you feel doing it. With awareness, consistency, and care, you'll come back stronger than ever. Not just healed, but truly rebuilt.